What if I told you that being unforgettable in a woman's life has nothing to do with manipulation or tricks? Instead, it's about becoming a man of value, purpose, and strength. Today, we'll explore powerful but respectful ways to leave a lasting impression on any woman. These methods are based on psychology, Stoicism, and timeless wisdom. Use them wisely, because once you master them, you'll become truly irresistible. The first way to leave an unforgettable mark on a woman is to master yourself. This means controlling your emotions, building mental strength, and having a clear purpose in life. When a man lives with discipline, focus, and self-respect, women naturally take notice. Stoic men don't react to every challenge or setback, and that calm energy draws people in like a magnet. Don't chase her attention. Instead, chase your goals. Women are naturally drawn to men who have their own mission in life. The more you invest in your growth, the more she will be drawn to your world. The second step is mastering emotional intelligence. Women value a man who can understand and respect their feelings. This doesn't mean becoming a yes man. It means being present, listening carefully, and showing empathy. When she feels safe expressing her thoughts and emotions with you, she will naturally feel more connected to you. If she sees that you understand her on an emotional level, she will crave more of your presence. This is one of the strongest psychological triggers for long-term attraction. Confidence is powerful, but arrogance is a repellent. A truly confident man doesn't need to prove himself to anyone. Women respect and admire men who walk into a room with quiet strength. Confidence is built through action, experience, and self-belief. It's not something you fake till you make it. It's something you earn through discipline and growth. Here's the secret. When you stop trying to impress her and start focusing on being your best self, she will notice. Confidence is silent, but it speaks louder than words. Don't be an open book. Leave room for curiosity. The more predictable you are, the faster people lose interest. Stoic men keep parts of their lives private, and that mystery creates attraction. You don't need to announce every detail of your day. Let her wonder about you. Let her think, what's he up to? This creates excitement, and excitement is addictive. People value what they have to work for. So, instead of always being available, focus on your growth, your hobbies, and your goals. She will value your presence more when it's not always guaranteed. One of the most powerful Stoic principles is non-reactivity. When people try to provoke you, whether it's with words, criticism, or drama, your ability to stay calm is a sign of true strength. Women respect men who don't lose their temper over minor inconveniences. If you can remain cool and collected in difficult situations, she will see you as a man of stability. When you master patience and emotional control, people will come to you for guidance, and women will be drawn to that quiet strength. Women are naturally drawn to men with purpose. If your whole life revolves around seeking her validation, she will lose respect for you. But if you have a mission, a dream, a goal, a vision for your life, she will want to be part of that journey. A man of purpose is rare, and rare things are valuable. When she sees that you have a clear mission in life, she will want to support it. Why? Because it shows that you're a leader. It shows that you have direction and purpose. Lead your life with purpose, and others will follow. Authenticity is rare in a world full of pretense. Too many men wear masks, trying to be someone they're not to impress women. But here's the truth: women see through that facade. If you are honest, authentic, and true to your values, she will respect and admire you more than any flashy move you try to make. Being authentic doesn't mean sharing every flaw. It means having the courage to be real, even when it's uncomfortable. This builds trust, and trust is one of the most powerful forms of attraction. In the end, it's not about manipulation, tactics, or tricks. It's about being the man you were born to be. When you embrace these Stoic principles, self-mastery, emotional control, and purpose, you become a man of strength and wisdom. And when you do that, people, not just women, will be drawn to you. If you found value in these insights, be sure to like, subscribe, and join us for more wisdom on psychology, relationships, and the Stoic way of life.